Hello everyone, my name is Sahil and I'm a real estate consultant. And in this video, I'm cover how a builder who has a lot of debt will affect you or the project you're investing in. So number one thing is the delay. So when a builder has the financial thing not sorted out and they solely rely on debt to complete the project, then there is a limit to the amount of fund they can get through loans or any sort of debt, and that will definitely affect in the possession of the building, because the construction will solely depend on how many units they are able to sell. So if they're able to sell something, then they'll be able to get the money get the cash flows, and then they'll be able to proceed ahead with the construction. So this will affect the deadline, and the project delays can be, the chances of getting the project delayed are quite high whenever there is the money crunch, right? Second is the quality of construction will definitely get affected. So if the financials are not sorted, then there will be cost cutting, either in terms of the quality of labor they employ or in the quality of material they use, or generally in some quality of design, either it's layout or the affordability of the quality of area they provide. The term is mostly the amount of area they provide and how they deceives you. These kind of things do get affected because the money is not there. And overall, there is no actually way to check what kind of materials are used in the construction, because you're not able to go to a construction site. Nobody goes, you can go and check that. Only a handful of people are allowed to go there, and those two are employed by the builders. So you cannot actually see what kind of things are put in the construction. The promised materials, the promised quality of materials are used or not, you cannot determine, because the money will create a problem and the quality of construction will definitely be compromised. Third is, whenever all these things happen, the trust factor of consumers are extremely affected. So if someone who has previously invested in a builder's project, and it's like couple of years post they get their possession, and now there is another project going on, but they are not happy with the performance of the builder, then the trust or the sentiment of the market is quite low, which is it's a case of a lot of builders at the start of the journey. They had a lot of great projects because the marketing was done such nicely that everybody thought what they are getting is quite nice. But as the time goes and the people come, they start living, and as the time passes, the compromised quality will show the effects later on, and that is affecting the sentiment of the market. So now you're investing in something which investing in a project which gonna deteriorate in the next 5 years post possession, and the sentiment is out there, and if you want to sell out of it, then you won't get the premium because it's in the market. So this will also affect you. So whenever you're going for a builder or a project, always search how the financial of the builder looks like. The listed players, the builders who are listed on stock exchange, their financials are out every quarter, updated financial, how they are performing, what kind of fund is there, what kind of cash flows is there. These things are out in the market and you can do your own research. But if someone who is not listed, is not in the exchange, then finding how much debt that particular builder has is next to impossible. You have to be someone related to a bank or financial industry to get those numbers out. Well, that's also not feasible also, right? So to be sure of your investing, investment and what kind of builder you choose, you have to be extremely cautious. Investing in a project investing in a builder, trusting a builder which has not their financial out in the public, can can be expensive for you in the longer run. It can affect you not today, not tomorrow, but post 10 years, a decade, when the particular building or the society is ready, and now you're consuming it or living it, and you're not seeing the appreciation in terms of price, appreciation in terms of rental value and appreciation in terms of capital appreciation and the price appreciation, because the sentiment of the builder, the name of the builder is now tarnished because of not delivering quality project, not delaying the project, all the things I mentioned before. So be extremely cautious in which kind of builder you are trusting, what kind of project you're investing in, what kind of the financial looks like. If the debt coefficient is quite high, then you're in a wrong builder group, or you're looking for the wrong builder. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.